You do feel for Luis Enrique and his team, leading until the death again, and another late dramatic goal from Real Madrid. This is where the extra man is paying off.
Suspension, so could miss the quarter-final if things were to go awry today.
You do feel for Luis Enrique and his team, leading until the death again, and another late dramatic goal from Real Madrid. This is where the extra man is paying off for Barcelona. One final roll of the dice. Can they hit the jackpot? Gomez, Jordan.
Citizen, who, let's not forget, has never saved a penalty in his professional career, learning one or two of Tim Krul's tricks and trying to delay it. Lionel Messi to give Argentina an advantage, yes. It's been his first major contribution to this game for a long, long time. The Messi slots home his spot kick. Arjen Robben will be next.
Well, he'll be jumping up and down and the flapping of the arms from Citizen. Wasn't going to phase him, was it? Perhaps wasn't at his most mobile in the second half of the game, but he's still got so much about him, able to go and tuck that one in.
Arjen Robben famously missed in a Champions League final. He went to the goalkeeper's right against Costa Rica. It's Robben. That's 1-1 in the shootout. Safely done by Arjen Robben, and the two men who dominated all the pre-match chat have both scored.
Great pen.
Argentina's turned to set up a central defender. Ezekiel Garay has just completed a move from Benfica to Zenit St. Petersburg in Russia. And Holland need him to make that first penalty save. He's again doing his best to slow things down. It's Garay. Smash! He wasn't in two minds at all, was he? Knew exactly what he was going to do.
Well, that's just, with respects to Garay, that is a centre-half penalty, isn't it? Not looking to be too clever, no little staggered run, no eyeballing the goalkeeper. I'm just going to run up and leather it. Nothing wrong with that.
Well, we've seen a surprise choice for the first penalty, but no surprises coming now. Wesley Sneijder, who scored to the goalkeeper's right in the shootout against Costa Rica, is next. Goes that way again, but this time Romero has done his homework. And Holland have had that man save 2 of their 3 penalties so far. He was supposed to be the weak link in this team, Romero.
It's a good height for him. If he gets right, it's that sort of penalty that you feel you'll get something on. It's not quite tucked in the corners. It's never going to hit the side net in that one from Sneijder.
We talked about having had a penalty shootout as being an advantage, but the advantage for the goalkeeper is he's seen where they put them against Costa Rica.
Yeah, good point.
Sergio Aguero, a regular penalty taker for Manchester City. To Argentina. We're on the verge here. Messi, Garay, Aguero, 100% perfect. Dirkhout's got to score.
Goalkeeper gets the right way, but it's lower. It's not so easy to get.
Cow went low to the goal.
Iniesta was onside! point. Manchester City are still alive here. Balotelli, Aguero!
Argentina's turned to set up a central defender. Ezekiel who's just completed a move from down.
I swear you'll never see anything like this ever again. So watch it, drink it in. They've just heard the news at the Stadium of Light.
Again doing his best to slow things down.
We've played 2.5 minutes of stoppage time. England trail by 2 goals to 1. Great to move here with the goal. Don't believe it. David Beck. Do feel for Luis Enrique. His team leading until the death again, and another late dramatic goal from Real Madrid. This is where the extra man is paying off for Barcelona. One final roll of the dice. Can they hit the jackpot? Go.
Now Wesley Sneijder, who scored to the goalkeeper's right in the shootout against Costa Rica, is next. Goes that way again, but this time Romero has done his homework. Have that man saved 2 of their 3 penalties so far. He was surprised with the wee link in this team, Romero.
Yeah, it's a good height for him. If he gets right, it's that sort of penalty that you feel you'll get something on. It's not quite tucked in the corners. It's never going to hit the side net in that one from Sneijder.
Yeah, we talked about having had a penalty shootout as being an advantage, but the advantage for the goalkeeper is he's seen where they put them against Costa Rica.
Yep, good point.
Sergio Aguero, a regular penalty taker for Manchester City. To Argentina, they're on the verge here. Messi, Aguero, 100% perfect. Domkyrkoh's got to score.
Goalkeeper gets the right way, but it's lower, not so easy to get.
Car went low to the goalkeeper's right against Costa Rica, screwed it a bit, squeeze it in, got to score. Counts, does score.
Well done, well done.
But it's match point Argentina.
That's a brave penalty, that one from Domkyrkoh.
Well, you have to go back to 2006, a shootout in the quarter-final against Germany in Berlin, and Maxi Rodriguez took the penalty that night for Argentina and scored. It wasn't enough, but he scored his. If he scores here, Argentina are in the final. Time for Sillerson to break his duck. Maxi Rodriguez. Argentina are World Cup finalists again.
That is.
Van Persie has been substituted.
So important, the first one. Look, he's been so brave whether he's gone about his work this evening. It wasn't one I was expecting to step forward and take the first one, because it's so important to get up and running.
So here we go, best of 5. The 4 Dutch penalty takers against Costa Rica had over 375 caps between them. They had real experience. Ron Vlaar of Aston Villa with the first kick for Argentina and scored. It wasn't enough, but he scored his. If he scores here, Argentina are in the final. Time for Sillerson to break his duck. Maxi Rodriguez. Argentina are World Cup finalists again. Ron Vlaar of Aston Villa with the first kick. Saved! Not a regular taker, not confident, and Romero kept it out.
Well,